Hello, in this video I want to show you all available gestures and motions on XIAOMI Redmi A1. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings. Here navigate to the bottom to find the system. Inside you should see the gestures, and now we can see all of them available. So first one is quickly open camera. Click on it to learn more. Here you can enable it and read that to quickly open camera, press the power button twice, works from any screen. And that means you can use it on the lock screen as well as the unlocked phone. So double tap the power key and the camera should open. The same is for the locked screen. As you can see, it's locked. Let's try it. Also works fine. Now let's get through the rest of the settings. System navigation, and here you can change between gestures navigations and free buttons navigations. So free button gives you 3 buttons at the bottom, as the name says, and now you can navigate through your phone with using this button. The other one is gesture navigations, and now with this you don't have any buttons. You need to navigate like this through your phone to go back, or to open any other apps you need to scroll down like this. So that's system navigation. Another one is one-handed mode, and this will make your life easier when you're using your phone in one hand. To use one-handed mode, swipe down from the bottom edge of the screen to use this feature. Make sure gesture navigation is turned on and system navigation settings. So it doesn't work with buttons, you will need a gestures navigation. Swipe down to pull screen into the reach or show notifications. So let's actually show notifications like this. One-handed mode shortcut, accessibility button, which will show on the bottom right here. You can click on it, and that way you'll access the notification bar much easier without Google Assistant wake up. You'll access the notification bar much easier without getting through entire phone to get there. Another one is press and hold power button, and it works for your assistant, Google Assistant in this case. So let's hold it, and
hi, what can I do for you? Speak into the phone.
And right here our Google Assistant just woke up. And that's basically all of the gestures and navigations you can use on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.